Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete your account and information on Township, so let's get right into it. Under the General Data Protection Regulation, you do have your rights to either deny the use of your personal information or the sale of your personal information, as well as you can opt out of the consent that you have given at any given time. And then the actual holder of that information is due to delete that information. So keep that in mind. That does mean that you can delete your account. So just follow these steps and I'll show you exactly how you can delete your account as well as any personal information. Now, if you're on iOS or Mac, go into in-game settings, then open about the game section, then tap on delete account, tap continue in the first pop-up window, and then just type in delete all caps and then click confirm. Your account should be deleted and you can cancel that within 15 days. And within those 15 days, if you want to cancel, you can. However, you cannot start a new game. You will have to wait until those 15 days is passed. Now, on iOS or Android, the process to delete your information is a bit more complicated. You have to go into the in-game settings and tap help and support. Once you're there, go to any article in any section, click the note button in the lower right corner and tap contact us. In that pop-up window, write your request to opt out of the sale of personal information and that you want your personal information deleted, and then submit it. You'll be offered to read several articles. Just select I still have questions and ignore them. Select personal data and progress deletion, then confirm your request again and answer a few questions about your identity. Once you do, an agent should contact you and you should be good to go. On Windows, it's a bit more easy. You could just go into the in-game settings, tap help and support, enter your name and email, then write the request, and then one of their agents will contact you and your account should be deleted. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.